just talk a little bit?
Yes.
Hi, my name is William Burchard. I'm giving a presentation for the guys at HallMark, Vincent Lamb and his engineers. We are demonstrating the electric power through the air and applications. We have here an oscillator, and it's a pulse oscillator. It drives the transformer, which is right here, drive an antenna. Now, the antenna basically would be a tuned antenna, but I just have a coil set up. Here on the other side, I have just a wire going to another coil that is very closely matched to the transmitter coil. And if you zoom in on this, you can see some wires coming out of there. And these wires are the primary of this particular transformer. And when I do my presentation today, I'm going to go into detail on a lot of this. Now, I will turn this on, and I'll also make myself a little antenna there. I'm at zero power. This thing is lighting up a little bit, and if I, of course, turn it on, bring it up, it even lights up more. And now I'm not getting much distance because I don't have a lot of, number one, I don't have a lot of power. Number two, I don't have the transformer tuned. Now, I turn it all the way down, and you can probably smell a little ozone, and that's because basically what I'm doing is I'm going to a non-tuned device. Now, if I go over here and I turn it on, of course you'll see, I'll try and get it where you see the light a little bit and tuned up a little bit. You can see it even transmits all the way around here and around there. Now, this right now is kind of not protected by a covering, so you got to be very careful of touching something. And what I'll do is tune it up a little bit. Try and tune it up. My transformer is arcing a little bit. Okay, but this demonstrates just the functionality. Now, if I take this device and I go here, and I will kind of try and connect to here if I can. Also, once again, if we tune this up, you can see that that's pretty bright light right there. So actually, it's brighter now than when I had it closer. The what we call the inductance, or the and you can see if I tune it just right. Of course, I get kind of like almost full power to the thing. And I'm running very low milliwatts. In fact, as you can see me tune this and turn it down, we're running a few hundred milliwatts at the most into this coil, and of course then putting power into here. The whole concept is to put a pulse wave into a transformer, into an antenna that's tuned. This antenna should be almost exactly the same as this antenna, and this coil should be the same as this one. If everything's tuned up, I easily get 10 feet with very small power. What I need to do is develop my transformers and the antenna and package everything in a small ball. This is a very big power supply. It has lots of outputs. We don't need this. We need maybe something you'd have in the wall that would be comparable to a laptop. So it's very small. But once again, if I tune this up a little bit, just turn it on just a little, you'll see that if I tune it just right, and what I'm doing is grounding it.
So can you put it away and see, what happens?
I can put, if I put a little more power, I put it away maybe 2 inches, I get more. Now, if I bring it here, probably maybe even a little more. And the reason this doing it with something in the middle is because I'm grounding it. If we took something like, I don't know, maybe put the paper in front of it or something like that, it shouldn't be much degradation at all.
Yeah, but the thing is, since before you connected that, it's already light up that fluorescent tube. So is there a possibility that, actually it's powered by the primary instead of the collector, the port instead of collector?
In other words, is this, you're asking the question, is this power not going through here and just through here?
Right.
Well, I can, once again, if we take this off, okay, let's do this. Okay, I know how to solve. Let's, yeah, exactly.
Yeah, put it away from.
Yeah, put it away from there. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now do it again.
And let's make sure we're connected.
Okay, it's light up.
Yeah, it lights up.
Okay.
See, so it is definitely, and I can cut it here because I'm grounding it. Now, water or something's not grounded, and if this was tuned, we wouldn't have that particular problem. And you can see that I'm fluctuating with this right here because it's not tuned.
The arcing is, I mean, is it?
Well, the arcing is because my antenna is not the right antenna. If I put the right antenna and connect here, it doesn't arc at all. Yeah, let me let's see if we can do that. And
Okay, even through paper.
yeah,
You can-
actually, if it's not grounded, it'll go through anything.
Mm-hmm.
We can put some metal in there or anything like that too.
Okay.
So what I wanted to show was the functionality. Now, this proved that it's definitely going through here. We can also take this off and not use the collector. And if you have a small antenna or a small coil on this, I can do this. I'm very low power. And we can still get quite a bit of distance on that.
So actually, the wire is acting as an antenna, or just?
Well, it can. Actually, if I do this, it can also do it too. It's really not the wire, it's really the power from here is going directly into there and lighting that gas up.
Okay.
Now, that in itself, I think is cool. I think could work very well. But I think the most important thing is, through here, we can get an AC voltage, which is very good. That means we can light up AC light bulbs.
Okay. What do you want, light bulb? Do you have a light bulb? That
I
you
don't
can-
have a light bulb, but
think
I don't
we may
know
have-
if it probably would have to be a small light bulb. Because I'm not getting full power, so we'd have to have maybe a little light bulb that we could connect up to, and I need to find the right ones to connect to.
Okay.
I don't even have a meter in my place, so it's kind of a little hard working.
Oh yeah, maybe we can connect up a meter. I mean, to check the output.
Yeah, do we have a VO meter? Cool.
Yeah.
Good deal. So this will give you kind of an idea of the concept of it working.